Myself Chandni Vasi from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today we learn conversion of data to linear form or non-linear regression. Sometimes the original data is not in a linear form, but it can be reduced to a linear form by some simple transformation of variables. Here we learn about three curves: y equals to ax raised to b, y equals to ab raised to x, and y equals to ae raised to bx. These three curves are not in a linear form, so we convert it to linear form, and then by simple transformation of variables we find the unknown a and b. First we fit the curve of type y equals to a x raised to b. For that, here given y equals to a x raised to b to the set of n points. First take log to the base 10 on both the sides. So we take log to the base 10 y equals to log to the base 10 a x raised to b. Now here all the log are to the base 10, so I call only log every time. Now therefore log y equals to, we know that the law of logarithm, log a into b, then we write it as log a plus log b. So here log a x raised to b, then log a plus log b, so log x raised to b. Now again we know that log x raised to n, then we write it as n log x. So here log y equals to log a plus b log x, here x raised to b, so b log x. Now we write log y to the base 10 as capital Y, log a to the base 10 capital A, small b, and log x to the base 10 is capital F. Then the value of capital Y is log small y to the base 10, capital A equals to log small a to the base 10, capital X equals to log small x to the base 10. Then we have a form y equals to a plus bx, which is a straight line. So we write a normal equation of straight line. So the normal equation of capital Y equals to a plus small bx is summation y equals to na plus b summation x, summation xy equals to a summation x plus small b summation x square. Now we solve both the equations and get the value of a and small b. In main equation we have small a and small b. So solving these two equations we get only small b and capital A. So we have capital A equals to log small a to the base 10. So find a equals to nt log of capital A. In calculator we use shift key plus log key and find nt-log. Now the example of the curve of type y equals to a x raised to b for the following data. The data is given in the form value of x is 61, 26, 7, 2.6, corresponding values of y 350, 400, 500, 600. Now Solving this, we have the curve to be fitted y equals to ax raised to b. Then we take log to the base 10 on both sides. So we have log y equals to log ax raised to b and log y equals to the law of logarithm. Log a into x raised to b is log a plus b log x. Therefore, we have capital Y equals to capital A plus small b x, where capital Y equals to log small y to the base 10, capital A equals to log small a to the base 10, capital X equals to log small x to the base 10. Now we find the normal equation of the curve y equals to a plus bx, which is summation y equals to na plus b summation x, summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. Here the data is 1, 2, 3, 4. So value of n is 4. We solve both the equations and find summation y, summation x, summation xy, summation x and summation x square in the equation, normal equation, and find value of a and b. So value of x, value of y. We make a table. We have a value of x, value of y. From the both value, we find capital X equals to log small x to the base 10. If we have given log to the base e, then in calculator we use the key ln x, and if given log to the base 10, then we use in calculator the key log. So we find capital X equals to log small x to the base 10, capital Y equals to log small y to the base 10, x into y and x square. So we have a value of x and y given from both the value. Now we find capital X. So first we use in calculator log in bracket 61. So it gives the value 1.7853. Same way log 26. It gives 1.4150. Same way 7, log 7, 0.8451 and log 2.6, 0.4150. Same way we find capital Y. So using the value of small y. So use logarithm key in calculator. Again log 350 is 2.5441. Next log 400 is 2.6021. Log 500 2.6990. Log 600 is 2.7782. Now we multiply both the data. So x into y. First value 1.7853 into 2.5441 is 4.5419. Same way multiply both the data. It gives 3.6819. Multiply these both data. Answer 2.2809. And we multiply 0.4150. 2.7782, it gives 1.1530, and last capital X square. So we square all the values. So first value 3.1873, square of 1.4150 is 2.0022, 0.8451 square 0.7142, and square of 0.4150 is 0.1722. Now we write all the data in 4 decimal places. All the data in 4 decimal places. Now we find summation. So using calculator we add the data. So 61 plus 26 plus 7 plus 2.6 is summation x is 96.6. Same way, summation y is 1850. Next, summation capital X is 4.4604 and summation y, adding all the four values, so it gives 10.6234. Summation xy is 11.6577 and summation x square is 6.0759. Now we put all the value in our normal equation and solving the equation. So first, summation y is 10.6234 equals to NA, value of N is 4, so 4A plus summation x is 4.4604B, which is the equation number 1. Second one, summation xy is 11.6577 equals to summation x is 4.4604A plus summation x square is 6.0759B, which is the equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, we use the elimination method and solve both the equations. So from elimination method, we have equation 1 multiply with 1.1151 minus equation number 2. Now we multiply equation 1 by 1.1151. So 10.6234 multiply with 1.1151 get 11.8462. Same way 4 into 1.1151 is 4.4604A plus 4.4604 into 1.1151 is 4.9738B, and second equation remains as it is, and 1 minus 2 it gives minus and 4.4604A minus 4.4604A will be cancelled out. So we have 11.8462 minus 11.6578 is 0.1884 and 4.9738B minus 6.0759B is minus 1.1021B. So we have B equals to minus 0.1709. We put this value in equation 1. So equation 1 is this one. So put the value of B. So equation will be 4A equals to 10.6234 minus 4.4604 and value of B is minus 0.1709. Therefore 4A equals to 11.3857. So our A equals to 11.3857 divided by 4 is 2.8464. Now in our main equation we have small a and capital A is log to the base 10 small a. So we have value of small a is anti-log of capital A. So capital A is 2.8464. So we find anti-log of 2.8464. For finding anti-log in calculator, we use the shift key and log bracket 2.8464. It gives value of A is 702.0644. So we have both the value, A equals to 702.0644 and B equals to minus 0.1709. So the curve is y equals to A x raised to B, which is y equals to 702.0644 and x raised to minus 0.1709. This is the final curve.